Hello friends, this is Harmeet from themung.com, and in today's video I brought you 3 amazing shopping themes. Using them you can create an amazing website for your shop. And friends, I am sure these themes interface is so clear that it will definitely grow your business. So without wasting our time, let's go to our screen and check out the name of these themes. Before continuing to video, I would like you to subscribe my channel so that you will get more and more amazing videos. So this is our website themung.com, and when you click on the menu item themes, it will show you pro themes option and free theme option. Then click on the pro theme, and the first shopping theme which I would like to tell you is the Big Store. Friends, Big Store is our latest shopping theme, and it contains many beautiful sections. Using them you can review your products on your website. So just scroll down and see these are the demos available with the themes. You can see 3 are the free demos you will get in the free version, and these are 3 available pro demos you will get this in pro version. So friends, let's check the demo and see its sections which are available with our product. So let's check this organic fresh demo. Our demo of Big Store theme, you can see header is in the form of 2 parts. One is the above header where you can show your text or you can add your widgets in the left portion, and in the right portion you can add your social icons and any other widgets. And below that you can see the main header portion is divided in the 3 parts. The first part is to show your logo, and the second part, which is the middle part, will show you a search bar, and the last part is show your account icon and wishlist icon and is a cart icon. Below that you can see this is the category drop down where you can see all the categories available in your website, and right side of that is available in our menu part. Below that you can see this is our slider section. Here you can show your popular sales, or you can show your new products which you have launched. And below that you can see this is the product carousel section which is in the form of tab, where you can show your products in the form of tab, and in the above portion display your categories which will show in the form of tab, and when you click on those particular categories it will show products related to it. Below that you can display your categories in the form of images, which is also known as Woo category section. As you can see, this dairy products category is listed here with the help of image, and you can see other categories. Below Woo category section you can see this is a product tab image carousel section. Here you can add an image in the left side and can show your products in the right side. Friends, below this section you can see this is the ribbon section where you can add your video in the background and your content above that. Here you will get a button where you can add your link or redirect your user to another page, or you can send direct user to your particular product also. Below that you can see a product carousel. It is showing product in the form of 2 rows. You can add any category product here depending on your requirements. So friends, let's move down and see another section. You can see this is a banner section. Here you can put your sales, or you can put your any image which is showing any information for your site. Below that you can see this is a product list carousel. Here you can see the products are showing in the form of list. You can see that images and its title and its price is showing in the form of list. And at the last you can see this is a highlight section which is used to show the important features of your website which you are giving to your customers. And at the last you can see this is an amazing footer section where you can add your description of your website and some important links and most viewed products, such as you can see here most viewed products are showing in third widget area, and at the last you can show your contact details. So friends, this is a big store theme. Using it you can create an amazing shopping websites. Now let's move to the another theme. So our second shopping theme is OpenMart theme. Let's check its features. So you can see this is the sales page of OpenMart theme, and let's scroll down and see how many demos we get in this theme. We have 6 pro demos available with pro version of theme, and free demos are available in the light version. So here you will get 3 free demos. Let's check this demo and we will check its section, how many section we will get in this theme. So you can see the same header section is available in OpenMart theme as we have discussed in the previous theme. One is the above header and second is the main header. You can add your widgets and you can add your content in the above header, or you can add your social icon, and in the main header section you can add your logo. In search bar is also available in the middle of main section, and 3 icons which will help you to add wish list, products, and your account icon and a cart icon. Below that you can see this is the category section where you can show your all the categories in the header, and at the right side you can also add your image menu items here, and in very right side you can show your contact details. Below that you will get a beautiful slider section where you can add your popular products or your featured products to show at the top of the website. Below that you will get a highlight section where you can add the details of your website, which are, suppose you are giving any important service to your customers or any other services, you can show in the form of highlight section. Below that you can see this is the vertical tab product section where you can add 3 slider images in this section in the left side, and in the right side you can show the products, and these products are showing according to this category. These are the categories in the vertical form. You can see that when we click on the hoodies category, then it will change its products, and similarly you can add more categories in this section. So now let's move down to the category slider. This is the section where we can show categories with the help of images, and you can also add more than available categories in the form of slider. So you can see currently it is showing 10 categories, and if you want to show more categories then you can add them and it will show in the form of slider. So below that you can see this is a tabbed product carousel where you can add an image in the left side and some products in the right side, and this section is in the form of tab. You can see these are the 3 tabs which is showing products. This is the most popular category, and second one is the new arrival category. When you click on this, then it will show product related to that category. So after this section you will see a ribbon section where you can add background image of your products and give description in the form of headline, and below that you can redirect user to the particular product, or you can say this is the single page section links. You can add any other also link in this section. Below that you can see this is the product section which is showing in the form of list. You can see this is the products which is showing in list form, and in the left side you can add your images, and the last section is the banner section where you can give the information of your sales or any other information, or you can add image of your popular product or featured products or anything else you want. So here you can add your image and you can link that image to any particular product or any particular category. And in the last you can see this is the footer section, as we have already discussed in the previous theme, and this is little bit similar to that, where you can add your images or you can add your widgets in text also. Here you can add your navigation or whatever you want you can add here in the footer section. So friends, this is our second theme, OpenMart theme, which is a very beautiful and a clean design. I know you will like this theme. So now let's move to our third theme, and this is the top store theme. Let's open its sales page. So friends, this is the sales page of top store theme, and let's see how many demos we will get in this theme. and you can see these are the 6 and 9 11 pro demos and 3 demos which are free in the theme. So let's check the demo of this theme. This is also a very beautiful shopping theme which has many clean and well designed section. This is a little different from those other theme which we have discussed earlier. You can see the header are similar, but below header you can see this category is in the form of sidebar. In previous themes we have seen this category is merged with the header section, and now the category is in the form of sidebar. You can open or close categories from here, and below that you can show your products or you can show any widget or image you want. Now let's discuss about the sections which we will get in this theme. You will get a slider section above where you can add your images and link those images to any particular product or any link. Below that you will get a section which is in the form of tabs. You can see this is the product showing in the form of tab. Here you can add your categories. You can also slide your products, and these products are showing in 2 rows, and you will also get option to show these products in single row or in 2 rows. So you can see these are the products showing in 2 rows. Below that you will get a category section where categories are shown in the form of images, as we have already discussed in previous themes. And below that category section you will get another product section where you can add a products of any single category, and this is also in the form of slider. You can slide these products to show your customers. Below that you will get a banner section where you can add 2 banners here. This is the first image and this is the second image. You can give the discounts or you can show your popular products here, and below that you can see these are the products in the form of list. This is the slider section. Also you can also slide your products here, and at the last you can see this is the brand section where you can highlight all the available brands in your store. So this is also in the form of slider. You can slide or you can add more than 5 brands here, and user can see in the form of slider. And at the last you will get a neat and clean design footer where you will get above footer. Here you can add your menu or any other text, and below that you can add your widgets and give description of about your sites, and add some menu links or add some contact details here. And at the last you will get a below footer section where you can give details of your website. So friends, these are the 3 shopping themes which I have discussed in this video, and some more points I have to clear out here. All the 3 themes, these shopping themes are very fast and you won't get any problem in this theme, and design is very neat and clean. Also you can use these themes when you purchase these themes. You can use them on unlimited number of domains. There is no restriction from us. You can use them in your website or for your client's website. Also if you purchase our theme, you will get top priority support from us, and also we have live chat support. You can contact our live chat team. They will help you for your problems. So friends, these are the 3 themes which we have discussed today, and I hope you like our video. And if you like, then please like our video and also subscribe our channel so that we can bring more informational or tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching my video.